Alright, y'all. Got this 2008 F150. Just did the cooler lines on it. Just making sure there ain't no leaks. You know, this is a difficult job, so I couldn't sit here and like record or be doing it, but got it right here going into the trans cooler. Running up to the radiator. I did all the lines. Lines here. Brand new Johns. That's how you do it. 5.4 liter. Easy job. Ain't nothing too difficult. You know. But we ain't got no leaks, so we looking good, y'all. We looking good. Another successful job, baby. That's what's up. Amazon truck.